Hey everyone, let's get started. Do you know how you can start selling your own products on Amazon? Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just someone with a great idea, selling on Amazon can be a game changer. And the best part? It's not as complicated as you might think. Let's break it down step by step for you. Okay, first things first. Before you can start selling, you'll need to gather some basic documents and information. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Business email address required to contact you. Business mobile phone number. Bank account details so that Amazon can deposit your money. Credit card to pay the selling fees. GST number if you're in India. Outside India, you must have a different tax number like VAT. Identity proof like passport, etc. Product information like what you want to sell, product name, description, prices. Now that you've got all your documents ready, let's get you set up on Amazon. Visit Amazon Seller Central link provided in description and start with registration. During registration, choose your selling plan. So Amazon provided 2 different types of selling plans as per your sell options. Individual plan is great if you're just starting out and plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month. You'll pay a small fee for each item you sell. Professional plan is better if you plan to sell more than 40 items a month. It has a monthly fee, but comes with more tools to help you sell. Fill out your details and read through Amazon's policies and agreements, and if everything looks good, hit agree, and you're done. With your account ready, it's time to list your products for sale. In your Seller Central dashboard, click on Add a Product. If your product already exists on Amazon, you can just add your offer to that listing. If not, you'll create a new listing. Pricing is important. It should be competitive with other sellers, and always remember, Amazon takes a small fees on every item, so keep that in mind. Now let's talk about getting your products to your customers. Fulfillment by Merchant FBM, this option, you store your products and handle the packing and shipping yourself. It's a good choice if you want more control and are okay with handling the logistics. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA. With this option, you send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle everything: storage, packing, shipping, and even customer. Your products also become eligible for Amazon Prime, which can really boost your sales. FBA is super convenient, but does come with additional fees. You can figure out what shipping option suits you. So, in this way, you can start selling on Amazon. Next video will come back with how to sell on Flipkart.